Ooh, what a surprise. This is a surprise. I told you not to post that thing, girl. I told you not to post that thing. What quantity do you have to send news on my wife? What quantity did you have to send my wife that I married with 100 million? What quantity did you have? Whoa, I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. Wait. Shh. Lower your voice when you're speaking to me. Lower your voice when you're speaking to me.
Fine. Speak.
Okay. What I'm asking is that I told you you're a side chick. I told you that you're a side chick. What quantity did you have to send news to tell the public that you and I are dating, while I told you that we are just fucking? What quantity did you have last week? You Sfoso. You spoke to my wife after tell her that I cheated on her. What quantity did you have to enter my business? Like everybody has. Okay. Like we are few. We as men, we are few.
You know that.
I agree. There's a lot, so we gotta share them. We've gotta share them. Look, I could test your lips right now, girl.
In front of the television.
I could test your lips right now. I told you you're a side chick. I could test your lips right now.